Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a photo to contact on Android 15 beta. Go to phone app, then contacts, and choose a contact to which you want to add the photo. I'm gonna choose this one, and then click on the pencil icon here to edit the contact, and now click on add picture. You can choose a picture from Google Photos by clicking Google Photos, or take a picture now, or choose a photo from gallery. I'm going to choose camera and take a photo now. I have taken this photo. Let's approve and crop it. Then press on choose and save. Now your contact has a photo. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.